get the bells ringing a couple of times and I'll come back up. No, I'm not leaving. I'm just going to video some church bells. I'm going to video it ringing from out here. Just got enough to ring 6, so it's better than not getting any bells. But anyway, at least I'll have to probably do it again sometime. So right, let's video the practice night. Get a couple. If you don't get 8 tonight, you'll have to come back again when I've got 8 bells up. Yeah, I don't mind. It's alright, I've done it before with Lee. There's no difference. No. It's next to a busy main road. I might have to come back next week and get the big ones and the more bell ringers. Yeah, I might have to do that then. Oh, is it? Are you going in? Are you going bell ringing? Are you going bell ringing? Oh, right, I just need to get these.
I thought you were pointing at something random.
No, I'm just videoing the church and the bells.
It's very beautiful, isn't it?
We just need to get some more ringers to make a whole 8 for me. I do ring the bells. I've come to ring tonight because he's short, that boy.
Brilliant.
So what's your name then?
I'm James, I'm the vicar here.
Oh, right, because I need some history about these bells. I need a booklet. A book about the church, this church.
Somebody must have one. They'll be in there though.
All right, I'm just videoing a few minutes at church bells. James, the vicar, is there. So.
Right, see you later, Tenor.
That's where the ring from. On the back. Back minute. That's where the ring from. Well, if we don't get 8 tonight, then I'll just have to come back when they've got more ringers. At least it's a start of 6 bells. I don't mind, but the nice sounding bells, I like them. They're beautiful, I'm afraid. They're lovely. So, it's a lovely church. It reminds me of Liverpool Cathedral. Look at it. Look how big it is for a little village church. Look at the size of it, man. What a standard church here. I've got to see the bells at the end, and then I'll have to do it again when they've got a light up. Good job I've come on a nice sunny evening. Sorry, stuck. Oh, there'll be plenty of time to hear the big tenor bell if it's not rung tonight. This is a start of 6 bells going on YouTube, so I have to wait until they get all 8 going, or the back 6 will sound nice for a YouTube channel. Yeah, absolutely. There you go again. Playing on the 6th, lad. That noise is nice. See, there's no clock there, look. This is the Lich Gate.